Rowe Dental Laboratory has been around since the mid-1920s. I've been in charge of the company for about 20 years. Back then, in the 80s and 70s, the lab business was a different business than it is today. A lot less technology, a lot more labor intensive. And since then, we've expanded into 4 other facilities around the country. We had about 40 some employees, and I think now we're about over 300 employees. We provide so many a variety of appliances, being a full-service dental laboratory, from digital dentures to crowns with models to our guided surgery division. We really send out thousands of appliances.
So anything that's digitally designed or comes in as a digital file, we take all of those STL files and we organize them in a specific fashion, in an efficient manner, on a wide variety of the Asiga printers to get them out into other departments to be worked on throughout the process. Asiga is a high precision machine. It's actually really, really important to us, given that the dental industry is an environment based on time and quality. Doctors want what they want. Patients want a very quality product, and we aim to deliver that. And we believe Asiga allows us to do that. We have 5 Asiga Pro 4Ks, and then we also have 4 Asiga Maxes. We give our machines names. We like to give them silly names, things that make people enjoy the work environment. So the Asiga Pro 4Ks, we use them for our digital denture workflow. Our Asiga Maxes, we also use with Lucitone tooth value material for prosthesis, all on X, and we also use them for model work as well. Volume-wise, for the Asiga printers, we do put a vast majority, probably over 60 to 70% of our appliances through Asiga.
When it comes to material choices, Asiga is top of the heap. They have a vast material selection, which is very attractive.
They're open source, so the availability that they have to be able to print in a wide variety of materials is actually quite amazing. Quality-wise, they all come out perfect, if not the same. So looking forward, the feasibility of being able to use the Asiga printers and various other processes across the board that we have here at Rowe, which is a lot, is fantastic.
And I feel like as the industry evolves, Asiga is going to be right there evolving with it.